Hello, good morning my dear student. Yesterday in previous lecture we have seen some basic concept of trigonometry of root sin वाला minus का into होता है तब क्या होता है. Now today we will continue same topic but of different type. Now what is given? Cot A minus tan A is equal to this. So always trigonometry में इसके बाद जो जो हमारे टाइप बचे हुए ऑलवेज जब कुछ भी आपको नहीं मिलेगा, स्क्वायर नहीं है, रूट वाला साइन नहीं है, ब्रैकेट का स्क्वायर नहीं है, सो फर्स्ट स्टेप और वन अपॉन भी नहीं है. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप विल बी convert your terms in terms of sin and cos, then simplify. So I start from my LHS. What is given? Cot A minus tan A. What is formula for cot A? Cos A upon sin A. What is formula for tan A? Sin A upon cos A. Now denominator same नहीं है, so what will do? Cross multiplication. Cos A into cos A will give you cos square A minus sin A into sin A will give you sin square A upon sin A cos A. इतना तो बेसिक है. Now look at your RHS. What do you want? Sin A cos A, sin A cos A. So don't do anything for denominator. Now look at your numerator. Cos square minus sin square. What you want here? Only cos square. You don't want sin square. So just substitute value of sin square. But important step. Cos square as it is, minus sin as it is, and whenever you have minus sign, we put second term in bracket. So what is my formula? Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. I want value of what? Sin square A. Sin square A का value चाहिए. So what will I get? ये प्लस cos square वहां पे जाके क्या होगा? माइनस. So 1 minus cos square A. Now upon your remain same. Upon what is? Sin A cos A. Now open your bracket. So cos square A minus 1 minus minus become this is plus cos square A upon sin A cos A. So cos square plus cos square will give you 2 cos square A minus 1 as it is upon sin A cos A. This is your RHS. Getting this? Now try more and more practice for this. Now next sum is tan square A upon sec A minus 1 whole bracket square and is equal to cos. Now you have to correlate. अगर मुझे यहाँ पे cos चाहिए, cos मुझे easy किससे मिल सकता है? सबसे easy sec. क्यों? sec का opposite क्या होता है? cos. So I try to convert this in terms of sec. Now यहाँ पे मेरे पास square है. So I have an identity. क्या identity था? 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. So what is value of tan square A? ये प्लस 1 वहां पे चला जाएगा. So tan square A is equal to what? Sec square A minus 1. So I start my LHS. Instead of tan square, what I am writing? Sec square A minus 1 upon sec A minus 1 whole bracket square. Now important step. This one can be written as 1 square. Now this in the form of a plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square, उसका क्या होगा? A plus b, a minus b. So sec a plus 1, sec a minus 1 upon what? Sec a minus 1 whole bracket square. Now these two bracket are same. So ये एक bracket और उसमें sec कट हो जाएगा. So what remain? Sec a plus 1 upon sec a minus 1. Now convert in terms of cos. For sec के लिए क्या लिख सकते हो आप? 1 upon cos A plus 1. sec A के लिए 1 upon cos A minus 1. Cross multiplication. So 1 plus 1 into cos A will give you cos A whole divided by cos A. This divided by 1 as it is. इससे से multiply कर लो. 1 into cos A will be cos A upon cos A. Cos A cancel. So what remain? 1 plus cos A upon 1 minus cos A. This is your required answer. Getting this? Now we'll see next type. Now next sum is under root sec square A plus cosec square A is equal to tan A plus cot A. We'll start from LHS. Now instead of sec square, I can write 1 plus tan square A, identity here. Instead of cosec square, I can write 1 plus cot square A. Now just rearrange this. this tan square a as it is plus 1 plus 1 2 as it is plus this cot square a as it is. Now important step. Tan square as it is 1 plus 1 2 plus cot square as it is. Now this number is 2. Can I write this as 2 into 1? Will it make any change? 2 ones are 2. Now I will increase one more step for you. So this tan square a as it is plus 2. Instead of this one, can I write tan a into cot a? What I have written? Tan a into cot a. We know these are opposite pair. In first lecture we have seen the multiplication of opposite pair is 1. So ये लिखने के बाद क्या होगा? ठीक से देखो. Now this in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. किसका फॉर्मूला ये? a plus b whole bracket square. What is here? A tan a. What is your b? Cot a whole bracket square. We know square would cancel each other. So what remain? Tan a plus cot a. Getting this, everyone? Now for next two sums, I'll give you just hint and you have to try that sums. For example, this sin a plus cosec a whole bracket square, cos a plus sec a whole bracket square. What do you want here? 7 plus tan square a cot square a. Now this is in the form of a plus b whole bracket square. So just expand. So what do we get? Sin square a plus 2 sin a cosec a plus what? Cosec square a plus, now this again bracket in the form of a plus b whole bracket square. So this is cos square a plus 2 cos a sec a plus, what do we get? Sec square a. Any doubt? Now these are opposite pair, multiplication होना जाएगा. Opposite pair, multiplication 1. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 2 कितना होगा? 4. Sin square plus cos square 1. So ये कितना मिला मुझे? 5. Now substitute. Cosec square can be written as 1 plus cot square. Sec square can be written as 1 plus tan square. And you will get answer that you have to try. Now here also in this sum, what will you take common? From numerator you take cos a common. So बचा क्या? 1 minus 2 cos square a. From this, what will you take common? Sin a. So what do you get? 2 sin square a minus 1. Now cos a upon sin a will give you cot a upon this and upon this. Now look at your RHS. You want only cot a, you don't want this bracket. So make this two brackets same, so they will get cancelled. Same करने के लिए यहाँ पे cos a, यहाँ पे sin a. So convert this cos square in terms of sin square. Do you know how to convert cos square? Cos square का वैल्यू क्या आएगा? 1 minus sin square. और convert this sin square in terms of cos square. Convert this. So sin square का value 1 minus cos square. Multiply by that by 2. You will get again same answer of this. So this two bracket will get cancelled and required result is what? Cot A. Now next sum, this upon this plus this upon this, you want to prove this. बीच में plus sign, denominator is not same. So what you will do? Cross multiplication. चलो. So sin A into sin A will give you sin square A plus 1 plus cos A into 1 plus cos A will give you 1 plus cos A whole bracket square upon sin A into 1 plus cos A. Now sin square A as it is, this in the form of a plus b whole bracket square. So formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. Getting this 2ab, 2 ones are 2 into cos A will give you cos A upon sin A 1 plus cos A. Now sin square plus cos square will give you 1. Sin square plus cos square will give you 1. This 1 plus 1 will give you 2. Getting this I have done one step directly. Sin square plus cos square 1. This 1 plus 1 will give you 2. This 2 cos A as it is upon sin A 1 plus cos A. From numerator I will take 2 common. So what remains inside bracket? 1 plus cos A upon sin A 1 plus cos A. 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A cancel. 2 into what remain here? 1 upon sin A. 1 upon A मतलब opposite pair. Opposite pair मतलब क्या आएगा? Cos A. So you will get 2 cosecant. Getting this? Now, you will try same sum based on this as your homework.